Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Once you create and set a publication as a mail merge publication, Publisher will identify it as a mail merge publication every time that it is opened in the future. If you want to change your mail merge publication back into a normal Publisher publication, you must detach it from the associated data source. This way, when you open it later, the publication will behave as a normal Publisher publication and it will no longer automatically open its attached data source. To detach the data source from the merge publication, open your mail merge publication. Next, click the Select Recipients button in the Start button group on the Mailings tab in the ribbon. Select the Cancel Merge choice from the drop-down menu that appears, and choose Yes when prompted to convert the publication back into a normal Publisher publication.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.